Meaning of exclude.
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 Exclude. The term exclude refers to the act of prohibiting or preventing someone or something from entering or participating in a particular event, group, activity, or situation. This can be accomplished by actively refusing permission, denying access, or isolating the excluded person or thing. The result of exclusion is that the individual or object is kept apart from the rest, and is not allowed to take part in whatever it was that they were excluded from. Exclusion can happen for many reasons, including disciplinary actions, security concerns, or personal preferences.